好，今日係2021年9月26號啦，係9月22號嗰陣時咧，就出咗 JUPAS 2022最新嘅資訊啦。JUPAS 網站開翻，咁呢度我想講翻一啲我見到一啲嘅新嘅 update，咁樣同大家分享下嘅。第一咧就係城大啦，城大就多咗幾個嘅學系嘅。咁就有一個工程學系啦，係Intelligent Manufacturing Engineering。我呢度冇寫中文啊。咁係智能製造嘅工程啦。咁另外咧就亦都開咗一個 program 咧 JS1217啦，就係工程學院任何嘅工程如果係 minor 工程entrepreneurship 工程實務啊公司啊咁樣咧就會入咗呢個學院嗰度嘅。咁咧，另外最主要咧，其實佢多咗啲咩咧？所有嘅法律學系，所以法律學系咧，同一啲比較重要嘅program 咧合辦，變咗係兩個 degree 啦。咁我冇詳細去睇翻佢係咪變咗要讀多一年啦，而讀多一年咧係咪要自己俾錢啦？呢個我未睇嘅，但係想講俾大家聽咧，就係即係法律學院啦，多咗個double degree 啦，係in computing mathematics。另外一個咧就係social science 啦 in public policy 啦。咁另外一個咧就係social science in criminology 啦。咁另外一個咧就係 business administration in accountancy 嘅。咁多咗法律學士咧就 double degree with 呢4個唔同嘅 degree 啦。咁另外computer science 咧亦都同computational finance and financial technology 咧就開咗一個新嘅 degree 啦，1221呢個城大嘅。咁浸大咧就開咗幾個新嘅 degree 啦。呢一個咧就係文理技術嘅 degree 2950啦。咁另外開多咗2個嘅關於 innovation in health and social well-being 一啲健康嘅 degree 啦，同埋一個 global and entertainment business。global entertainment business 咧一向佢上一年咧開咗個FICA 嘅 degree 啦。咁佢慢慢喺global entertainment 嗰度咧見到佢係慢咁開發嘅。浸大方面，咁另外咧多咗一個文理學士啦 ，Arts and Technology 嘅。咁另外咧之前咧Bachelor of Communication 即係傳理系啦，佢將唔同嘅傳理嘅唔同嘅範疇，譬如廣告啦一個範疇，報紙啦一個範疇，公關啦一個範疇，唔同嘅範疇咧係分開咗唔同嘅學位嘅。今年咧佢哋將呢啲學位咧combine 變翻做一個傳理學士。咁呢度留意翻啦。咁同樣咧上一年咧音樂同埋creative industry 創新嘅 music 啦，創新嘅音樂啦，其實分開咗3個唔同嘅 degree 嘅。咁今年咧佢咧就 combine 咗with 一個，即係咧簡單一句咧就將唔同嘅 discipline 咧就group 埋，變成一個 broad base 嘅admission 跟住去到即係 Year 2咧先去分翻開嘅。咁呢個同理大咧有啲吻合嘅。咁之後我會講翻理大嗰邊係點噶啦。咁同樣道理啦 ，social science 咧就亦都有幾個係關於歐洲文化嘅，亦都 merge 咗落去2610嗰度。好，中大咧就冇乜唔係太多嘅變動，係多咗幾個 engineering 嘅學位啦。咁而其實咧呢幾個 engineering 學位以前都有嘅，但係以前有一個 broad base，而家咧就分翻開唔同嘅 stream，就啱啱咧就同浸大咧就啱啱調翻轉啦。浸大咧就將唔同嘅 discipline 咧 merge 落去一個 broad base 個但係中大嘅工程學院咧，佢就將個 broad base 咧就分翻開，變成唔同嘅 discipline 嘅。咁教大咧就多咗3個新嘅 degree 啦 ，Sport Science and Coaching 啦 ，Artificial Intelligence and Education Technology 啦 ，Integrated Environmental Management 啦。咁 history 咧其實咧以前都有嘅，但係佢好似係開幾年啦，係中史嘅，跟住又history 咁樣會花間竹嘅，咁所以係啦，教大就係咁樣嘅改變啦。今年好，理大咧個改變咧就大啲嘅，但係佢個主要嘅意念咧就係將唔同嘅 discipline 啦，就變成一個 broad base 嚟到去喺1年級嗰陣時就多啲收生，跟住到2年級咧先分翻開，究竟要專業喺邊一方面。咁所以咧因為太多，好快咁樣講啦。關於生物啦，同埋生物科學啦，化學technology 啦，chemical technology 啦，food safety 咧 technology 咧就會group 成一個新嘅學系啦。咁Investment and Finance Analytics 咧就 group 落去咧 Data Science， 咁將來可能就會多幾個degree 喺度 offer 都唔定嘅。咁以前嗰啲Juris Scope 咧就會唔見咗，就會變翻 broad base 個 Juris Scope 噶啦。Physics Engineering 啦，咁亦都入咗落去一個叫 Physics with Secondary Major in AI and Data Analytics、Innovation and Entrepreneurship。好，跟住咧幾個 BBA 嘅 degree 咧 ，Accountancy 啦、Accounting and Finance 啦，and Financial Service 咧，咁亦都group 咗落去個大嘅 broad base 嗰度。Aviation Maritime and Supply Chain Management 咧，就係以前咧就係 International Shipping and Transport Logistics、Supply Chain Management and Analytics 咁merge 出嚟嘅。Management and Marketing 咧亦都 merge 咗另外一個 base program 嘅。Building and Real Estate 咁其實咧就係之前Building Engineering and Management、Property Management、Surveying merge 出嚟嘅 broad base program 嚟嘅。咁 Building Science and Engineering 咧就係之前一個 Building Service Management merge 出嚟嘅一個 broad base 嘅。好 ，Civil Engineering and Sustainable Developments 咧，亦都係之前3個嘅degree 啦 merge 嘅，咁係有Civil Engineering 啦、Sustainable Structural and Fire Engineering 啦、Environmental Engineering and Sustainable Development 啦。咁另外一個新嘅 Spatial Data Science and Smart Cities 咧，就係之前 Land Surveying and Geoinformatics merge 出嚟嘅。其實就唔 merge 嘅一個，即係將來會加多啲嘅 degree 噶啦。好，咁 Aviation Engineering 咧就之前相同名出嚟啦，我相信之後咧就會再多一啲其他關於 aviation 嘅 degree 嘅。咁 Biomedical Engineering 嘅係之前一個嘅degree merge 出嚟啦。咁 electrical engineering 就係以前嘅 electrical engineering 啦，同埋 transportation system engineering merge 嚟嘅。好，跟住咧有個就係 information and artificial intelligence engineering 啦，就係之前 electronic and information and engineering 啦 ，internet and multimedia technology 咧 merge 出嚟嘅。呢個咧就我唔 sure 嘅，但係我都分享俾大家。因為之前個 optometry 咧，3650咧，佢就 merge 咗另外一個3290新嘅 degree， 因為裡面咧就會變咗兩個 degree， 而 optometry 咧，如果 focus major optometry 咧，就係要讀5年嘅。我唔 sure 之前係咪讀5年定4年啦，因為我唔係冇專注到 optometry 呢邊。咁但係我今年見到咧，佢兩個 degree 裡面咧一個係4年嘅 optometry 係5年嘅。咁呢度咧就如果大家想讀 optometry 就留意啦，嗰個年份係咪啱嘅咧？即係你係咪想讀5年咧定4年咧？你就即係之後再 further 去搞清楚啦。Hotel and tourism management 咧，係之前兩個relevant 嘅 degree merge 啦。咁English and applied linguistics 咧就係之前同名嘅degree 咧出嚟嘅。同樣咧 linguistics and translation 咧亦都係同名嘅 degree 咧出嚟嘅。咁最尾咧 applied social science 咧就其實之前兩個degree 啦merge 出嚟嘅，就 social policy and social entrepreneurship 啦，同埋 social work merge 出嚟嘅。你帶我雖然滾水淥腳啦，咁但係我希望即係你知道，其實之前嗰啲 degree 咧，其實都喺度嘅，甚至佢哋加多咗一個新 degree， 我喺呢度就冇寫出嚟，冇詳細寫出嚟啦。好，跟住科大啦，科大咧，我睇過就唔係好多嘅改變啊，港大都唔係咁多改變，所以我呢度咧就會完噶啦。但係科大最大嘅改變咧，係佢哋分數咧就變跟翻香港大學啦。中文大學啦，同埋理工大學一樣，係有5以上係有分加嘅。咁5咧，出嚟嘅分數係5.5啦。咁5星咧出嚟就7啦。5星星咧出嚟咧就8.5嘅。咁就跟翻啱啱嗰3間大學看齊嘅。咁好啦，呢個就係 update 啦。多謝各位。